Hello my dear students. Let's begin new session of our social science class. In the previous chapter we discussed about the agricultural diversity of Kerala. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth chapter titled Production Process. During these lockdown days most of our houses are trying to be self-sufficient. That is producing whatever we need in our daily life. We ourselves are produced. For example, preparing some special food items, growing some vegetables and so on. But in ancient times, our ancestors lived in caves, gathered fruits and hunted animals. Their life and world was limited. Can we imagine such a life today? Now we produce goods ranging from paper pins to artificial satellite. For example, in our life we are using some goods frequently. Can you say? They are pen, book, pencil, dress, water, utensils, mobile, laptop and so on. So today let's discuss about the features of goods. What is meant by goods? Those things which are visible and tangible and can satisfy human wants are regarded as goods. Those things which are visible and tangible and can satisfy human wants are regarded as goods. If you take pen or above mentioned any other goods, all of them have the features of visibility. Visibility means ability to be seen and tangibility, able to be touched and can satisfy human wants. For example, if you take a pen, we can see that, we can touch that and using it we can write. We are using the books which is not produced by ourselves. How did it reach in our hands? Before getting a product into our hands, we use the service of a large number of people for the production and distribution of that product. The books we use might have been printed in a distant press. It also required the involvement of many people's services. For example, services of laborers, transporters, book distributors and so on. While we use a good, it is actually the product of the services of a lot of people. Then can you define services? Services are invisible and intangible but can be experienced. Services are invisible and intangible but can be experienced. For example, services of teachers, doctors, bank officers and so on. Now we can discuss about production. What is production? Production is the process of creating goods and services to satisfy human wants. Product is the result of the production process. From this picture we can identify the stages involved in producing paddy. Ploughing. By using animals we are loosening the land. Then after that we are sowing the seeds or planting the seedlings. Then weeding, we are throwing out the wild grass from that seeds and we are adding fertilizers known as manuring. Then after if it ripe we are cutting and gathering all that food grains, we call it as a harvesting. And after that through a process of separating the grains from the plant, we use that threshing and we are collecting the rice grains at last. So these are the important stages in the production of paddy. That means ploughing, sowing seeds or planting seedlings, weeding, manuring, harvesting, threshing, collecting rice grains. From these stages of paddy production, we can generalize the factors involved in the process of paddy production. The factors are laborers and second one natural resources. That means we are using land, water as natural resources for the paddy production. And third one, man-made goods such as fertilizers, seeds, agricultural equipments are also we are using in the paddy production. But laborers, natural resources and man-made goods also we used in the production of paddy. Production process can be completed only with the involvement of many factors. Then factors involved in the production process are called factors of production. Factors involved in the production process are called factors of production. To clarify the production process, we can observe the collage of shoe factory. From this collage, we can find out that factors involved in the production of shoes, they are buildings, machinery, workers, electricity, entrepreneur, capital means money or cash. As you know, for a shoe factory or whatever may be the enterprise, building is essential. We are constructing it on land, or we buy the building by giving rent, or buying the plot we construct the factory or the concerned office there. For making products, machines are essential. Then workers are necessary to do works. Then electricity is inevitable for running machines or other electronic devices. To supervise or to control the business, organizer or entrepreneur is unavoidable. Capital or cash for getting loan to start business or to give salary to workers is a must. So there are 4 factors of production. They are land, labor, capital and organization. Let's summarize what we have discussed today. First, we have discussed about the difference between goods and services. Then we studied the factors involved in the process of paddy production. At last, we discussed the 4 factors of production. Dear students, I think now you got a clear idea about 4 factors of production. So you study well, read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Thank you.